Oh, hey, what's up, guys? Fatty Wax here. Fatty Wax. Oh. Anyway, yeah, Fatty Wax here, and Carl just got sick. He's not gonna be here today, but tomorrow he's gonna be ready, and for another video. Well, actually, we'll see. He's not here because he doesn't feel like going to, because we got nothing planned to do today. So, this comment saying do a buffet challenge, and I might know at a buffet, and I'm fat, because I'm called Fatty Wax. Yeah, I'm calling Fatty Wax, and I hate getting wet, so I'm not gonna be able to get wet, but I'm gonna try to get myself wet, like, because I'm a cat. They don't like fun, and they love to eat it, because that's why my name is called Fatty Wax. You keep on wondering why I keep landing, because I'm so fat. Look at this belly. I'm so fat. In the background, that's where the pool is, but I'm just scared to go. It's very scary. Like, Fatty Wax way. Like, Fatty Wax. Sorry, I like throwing myself when I say my name. Like, Fatty Wax. I accidentally threw myself at someone. Do I smell food? Okay, I'm gonna try my best to eat all the food because I eat a lot of food. Like, that's what I call it. Fatty Wax. Anyways, I'm holding goggles here, so I can't hold anything. But I'll just put everything on the table, and I'll get ready, like Fatty Wax. Okay, so I might need to turn my camera, so I'll be right back. Now you can see mostly everything. When are we gonna eat? I'm very hungry. I am very hungry. Oh my god. Anyways, yeah, Fatty Wax. Oh wait, Fatty Wax. Oh man. Okay. Finally, I get to sit down. Yes. Oh no. I gotta go. Okay. I must eat that. Anyways. Hey, that's new. He told me about the adventures of the buffet. And that is new. He told me about that. Like, because I'm so impressed about this one. Because I'm fat. That's why my name is Fatty Wax. Ow. Okay, I hate holding these goggles. Very tiring. Very fat. It's hard to see my face. Fatty Wax. Going. Fatty Wax. Fine. Some peace. Is that food? That is not food. It's not food. I hate that food. Okay. That's not food. Oh, okay. Time to do it there. Later. Okay, I'm gonna go find some food. Bye. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna get some food. I'm gonna get some food. Hey, what's up, guys? Must have passed it on accident. Hey, you don't notice me, elevator? I mean, door switcher thingy. You know this thing is called. It's time to get the buffet. And let's check out the foods, and then I'll start the buffet challenge. Okay. They're running out of this, so I will probably eat this later on. I'll eat this later on. They got this. Okay. I'm not eating a healthy stuff. No healthy stuff. Just sugar. No. Okay. They got milk over there, leche. They call it leche in Mexico. They got chocolate milk. That's yummy. Let's go. Okay, so some of the things are still the same. Check this out. Nachos. Okay, I might eat that. I will eat that. I love nachos. What do they make here? What is that? Okay, I'll take that. Here's the fruits. That's sugary. Yes. Here's the bread. That's very good. Oh, that's new. Wait, I gotta check that out. Okay, let's see what you got. Wait, you can make a sandwich? Okay, I think you can make a sandwich, guys. I'm gonna check that out later in the buffet challenge. Okay, there's the yogurt we saw, and this is the smoothie shake. That I'll do too. Yeah, I'll do that definitely. And then you get the omelets. That's healthy. I don't want that. Yeah, yogurts. Oh, I love yogurts. We got more yogurts. I love yogurt. I like mango. It's really my favorite. They got this rice pudding. I love rice pudding. Okay, people. I'm getting hungry now. It's the buffet challenge. Wait. There's one more thing. Is that tacos? Oh yeah, that's definitely tacos. Really? No, that's soup. I don't like soup that much. I like bean soup. Make me fart. That's when I come. Fatty Wax. Yeah, that's what they call me. Fatty Wax. Okay, and the challenge starts now. Look at that. Oh, look at that food. Okay, I'm gonna bring it to the table. Okay? See you later, guys. Okay, this is my first food. I'm gonna get some more food, okay? Food is on my way. Food is on my way. Food is on my way. Yeah. Food is on my way. On my way. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what's next. Yes. Nachos. Not yet. Yes, wait. Yeah. I fell on accident. I need to go to a different table. Yes. There. Look at that. Okay. Grab one of these. Oh, that's not my good hands. Hang on. Oh. Sorry. Okay. Oh no. Red milk. I got that. Very hard to catch them. Yes. Gotcha. I wish I could grab it with your hand, but you can't. Oh, no. Yeah. Okay, look at that. Yeah. Okay, that's okay. I'm gonna bring it up. Bring the food. Look at that food. Look at that. So much kind of bread. Bring the food. Look at that bread. All kinds of them. Look. Okay, here. I got that bread. Look at that. Okay, I got cereal bread. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, I'm not gonna eat that much. I'm too fat already. Here's my name. Fatty Wax. Yeah, Fatty Wax. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, let's go. I got the bread. That's gonna be good. Oh, okay, I'm gonna take this out. I think it's tacos. That's the tacos. Lemons. Guacamole. That's definitely guacamole. Yes, green sauce. Oh. Okay, smoothie like that. Chips! Oh, it's chips. Bring it on. Okay, I'm gonna find the place. I'll be right back. Okay. Let's see what we got. Okay. Guacamole. Okay. Let's get the chips. Get the chips. Yeah. Get the chips. To the chips. The chips. Got those chips. Nothing. More chips. Okay. Okay. Now get the lemons. Okay. I'm not gonna eat that much, but for now, there's gonna be nothing. Hey guys, okay. Yes, good sauce. Got it. Look at that. That's good. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to the table. Okay, I got the food. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Hey! You steal a chip from me? The chip. Okay, I'm gonna eat it now.
You want to go buffet now?
Sure. Oh, I finished the cereal. Every single bit. Time to go with the bread. So I think we found out the brown one is not sugary, but I'll still eat half of it. Okay? That counts. That counts. I just like sugary stuff. Okay, let's begin. Okay, this is how much I ate. This is half of it, and this is the last one I'm gonna eat, and then I'm done with this one. And then to the next plate. That's me. Yeah. I finished it. Look at that. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, I'm not eating that one. I just ate half of it. That's good enough. Time to push this away and start on the chips. The chips. Look at that. Time to start eating it. I'm not supposed to have a long video. So this is the last meal I'm gonna eat. And that's buffet challenge over. Yeah. It's time for a hint of what the dessert's going to be. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yo. Try to guess what it is. And ta-da! I ate it. Well, I didn't have
Oh, not that way.
the reason why I have a wiggly tooth, a few actually, and
There's no exit.
actually he does.
No, there's not.
Ow, ow. And it hurts his teeth really bad.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh,
So,
yeah. Don't do that.
also
No,
by the
they're
way,
gonna get mad at
if you could see his,
I know it.
hello.
I am no sweetheart.
So anyways, yeah, that's the plot.
Yeah. Okay,
Anyways,
it's gonna be a photo finish.
yeah. Now the last one. Okay, so remember the other hint? Well, time to reveal it. It is yogurt. Okay, I'm gonna get yogurt. Okay, I'll see you guys later because the video it cannot go to 15 minutes. If it does, I'm doing it. Okay, I'll get a pause and I'll be right back, guys. So I got 2 yogurts. Yeah. Okay, so I'm giving this to the cat, to Fatty Rex, because he is too fat to eat it. But actually, he ate that food and he's all stuffed out, so he can't walk. So I'll just go ahead and bring it. Here's your final treat. Yes, thank you so much. And I'm gonna start eating it. Whoa, you didn't tell me? Well, it's gonna be another video, guys. Okay, you won't be able to see if I ate it all, but I will. Trust me. Trust me. Pinky promise. I can't do that. You told me to quit. Okay? Oh no, oh no.